voice. The female character narrates her true-to-life story with vivid detail and emotional depth. The book begins with the legendary Queen of the Night, dressed in shimmering gold and adorned with regal jewels. She embodies the grace and powers of one of history's most captivating figures. In her reign, Cleopatra was not only a brilliant strategist, but also a symbol of beauty and strength. The novel captures her intelligence, charisma, and fierce dedication to Egypt. This character immerses readers in ancient Alexandria, offering an intimate glimpse into the challenges and triumphs of a legendary ruler. As she steps into the school halls today, she brings with her the wisdom and ancient Egypt and the elegance of a queen whose influence remains timeless.